Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's sneak peek, we are going to visualize how the artificial intelligence is going to place its pieces onto the board. Also, you're going to see the updated version of the user interface with applied textures. So let's go ahead and do a quick run through it so you guys can get a glimpse of the upcoming episode and what we will be covering in the upcoming episode. I'm going to go ahead and place my ships onto the board. And once all of the ships have been placed onto the board, we are going to take a sneak peek here under the AI's board, and we are going to visualize how the AI has placed its ships onto its board. And we have color coded the vertical and the horizontal ship placements for better debugging purposes in our game. Eventually, this won't be visible and this will not be rendered on the final game. But for now, since we are developing it, we do want to visualize it. So it's going to make it easier for us to troubleshoot. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to like, subscribe. The next video is going to get into the details of the implementation of how the AI is going to randomly place its pieces onto the AI's board. Have fun. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.